Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Anytime you are scheduling an appointment, event, meeting, or task for yourself or someone else in Outlook, you can set a pattern of recurrence for the selected item. To set recurrence for Outlook items, either click the Recurrence button in either the Options or the Recurrence button group on the tab of the ribbon that is named the same thing as the Outlook items type in the item window, or, if available, click the Make Recurring link within the item window itself. Doing either option opens the Appointment Recurrence or the Task Recurrence dialog box. Here you can set the Outlook items recurrence pattern. If using the Appointment Recurrence dialog box, you can set the appointment's time duration by using either the Start and End drop-downs or the Start and Duration drop-downs. In both dialog boxes, you then use the Recurrence Pattern section to select either the daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly option. In the area to the right of those option buttons, you then specify the recurrence pattern for the Outlook item. Note that the tasks in the Task Recurrence dialog box also have the additional option of recurring after a specified time period elapses from the previous task's completion date. In the Range of Recurrence section in both dialog boxes, set the start date of the recurrence pattern. Then set the end date, the number of occurrences after which to end, or choose no end if desired. When you are finished scheduling the recurrence of the item, click the OK button. To remove a recurrence pattern, click the same Recurrence button again, or click the Edit Recurrence link to open the dialog box again. Then click the Remove Recurrence button that appears in the dialog box. To delete a recurring item, open your Calendar or Tasks folder as needed. Then select the occurrence of the recurring item to delete. Then press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard to show a pop-up box with two options. Delete this occurrence, called Delete One for tasks, or delete the series, called Delete All for tasks. Select the Delete this occurrence option, called Delete One for tasks, to delete only the selected occurrence, or select the Delete this series option, called Delete All for tasks, to delete this and all future occurrences. Then click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.